Good evening, friends. Today, our topic will be basically on the HR part, and a very important part of HR is motivation. In the previous topics, we have discussed about team management, we have discussed about leadership, we have discussed about time management as well. But today's topic is very important because it is what drives the organization. Motivation today has become so important that people are busy in their personal lives and they don't find the motivation to work apart from money. Only because the organization is paying, that's why I'll go to the organization and complete my 9 hours. It should not be the aim. My aim should be that in those 9 hours I should be able to give my best. I should be able to give my 100%, and that will help the company to gain its profit, and it will in turn it will be my growth as well. So how to do motivation? How to motivate employees? Come on, you all have read the Maslow's need hierarchy, right? There are 5 stages: physiological needs, social needs, self-esteem, self-actualization. Those were the 5 different stages. The moral of that pyramid is what Maslow has discovered, that suppose you hire a guy from the street, for example, for a welder position or housekeeping position, let's say. You hire a guy who is begging on the street and he wants to do job in an MNC. So what need you are fulfilling? The basic need. Basic need क्या है? रोटी कपड़ा मकान. He doesn't have a house. So what he needs? Initially he needs a house. He needs roti. He needs kapda, clothes. Okay. If you fulfill those needs, then what he will say? That the company has given me so much that I should work for the company. This is motivation. He's not looking for bands. He's not looking for BlackBerry t-shirts, or you can say coats or blazers. No, he's not looking for a Baleno car. Those are different level needs. But in the same example, if you are going to hire a software engineer who is working in XYZ company and he wants to shift to your company, so what will you do? You will try to increase his salary. बात करते ना हम इस वो हाइक में शिफ्ट स्विच मार लिया. That basically means the salary he was getting in company A, he will be getting 30% more in company B. वहाँ पे मोटिवेशन हो गया सैलरी, बिकॉज यू कैनॉट गिव हिम रोटी एंड कपड़ा, ही ऑलरेडी हैज़, उसके पास है. अगर सैलरी भी कभी कभी क्या होता है, इन द CEO लेवल, इन द हायर मैनेजमेंट लेवल, सैलरी इज़ नॉट मच चेंज्ड. मतलब 30% तो होगा ही नहीं, 5%, 10% दैट इज़ नेग्लिजिबल. फिर हम क्या बोलते हैं भाई, मतलब सर you join our organization, we will take care of your higher needs, good car, good health insurance, good education for your children, like this. Apart from your salary hike, we are also giving you these benefits. So these are the extra points which will motivate him कि नहीं भाई, in the last organization I was getting salary, I was happy, but my child was not getting good education. So यहाँ पे diversification हो गया. मेरा भलाई के apart from my benefits, the company is looking after my kids' benefit. So he will definitely look for a switch or not? Tell me, कौन नहीं चाहेगा? अगर कोई कंपनी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट एनी वन, सपोज ए पर्सन इज वर्किंग इन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, ही वॉन्ट्स टू गो टू एप्पल. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में विल ही बी गेटिंग लेस सैलरी? आई डोंट थिंक सो. ही विल बी गेटिंग डेफिनेटली 6 फिगर सैलरी और 8 फिगर सैलरी. इफ ही वॉन्ट्स टू गो टू एप्पल, मतलब एप्पल को सैलरी के अलावा इट हैज टू डू विद सम अदर बेनिफिट्स. कम ऑन, आई विल नॉट गो अदरवाइज. You give me a Mercedes Benz, I will go. You will give me a double health insurance, I will go. So it is trying to satisfy some other higher needs. और एक फाइनल नीड होता है सेल्फ एस्टीम. सेल्फ एस्टीम मतलब ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में रह के हाउ आर यू इंक्रीजिंग द सेल्फ एस्टीम ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल. कोई बंदा अगर डीमोटिवेटेड है तो we will do a counseling of him and we will discover that what is gone wrong. And he will say, sir, I am not getting promoted since last 5 years, suppose. So we will do a test, or we will try to analyze his bell curve once again and try to give him a good band or a good promotion parameter. उससे क्या होगा, उसका सेल्फ एस्टीम बढ़ेगा. वो बंदा जो खराब प्रमोशन मिल के he was sad, he will start believing in himself. He will start to give more and more output to the organization. But this example which I mentioned doesn't happen in practical life. We don't increase salary of a person by just saying that he's happy or unhappy. Otherwise our lives will be at risk. Everyone will come crying, sir, please increase our salary. This happens when a person has really performed well, he has done all the good works, but somehow there are some data calculation mistake, and hence there is an error, so he gets the desired promotion. So with this we end the topic of motivation, and in the next video we will discuss similar good things. Till then, take care.